We got a double on mink.
All right.
Yes.
Can I put them back down in here?
No, whatever you want to do. Right through here, there's a little mink trail, right? You can see right up through here. Had it blocked off right here. Right up through there is the trail. Oh gosh, that's awesome. That made my day. Oh, let's take them all out. And we got chewed on maybe by that other mink. Mink will eat other minks in the traps. Mice will chew on them. Weasels, everything. Raccoons, fox, coyotes. A little female. And then we got another nice one on that side that Adam has. Perfect. We'll come and grab him and we'll show you both of them. Hold on to that. We got looks like two big females.
That's a really big female.
Yep. Yep, two females. Boy, oh boy, that, I tell you what, there ain't any nicer fur. I mean, I still love my bobcats, but I mean, look at that. That's why women like mink coats. Just beautiful.
Flip them on the back.
Yeah, it's got a nice white, distinct.
Up around here too.
Yeah. That look really nice tanned. Yeah, a couple big females. That made my day right there. Double
Very
on
nice.
mink.
Wicked sharp every time you pick it up. Wiebe knives feature a replaceable blade design sporting a surgical grade scalpel edge for a long-lasting and consistent use. And every Wiebe knife comes with up to 24 replacement blades. After all, it's a Wiebe. Order your replacement blades today with a $5 flat rate shipping on any sized order at wiebeknives.com.